Understanding the phrase, build peace, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, build peace. This phrase is not just common in English but also carries a deep meaning in various contexts. If you've ever wondered what it really means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Build peace seems straightforward, but it's more than just constructing something physical. Building often refers to constructing something tangible, like a house or a bridge. However, in this context, it's used figuratively. To build peace means to create or develop a state of tranquility, harmony, and non-violence in a community, a country, or even between individuals. In personal relationships, build peace can mean resolving conflicts, fostering understanding, and cultivating respect. For example, after their argument, they work together to build peace and restore their friendship. In international relations, on a global scale, build peace often refers to efforts by countries or organizations to resolve conflicts, promote diplomacy, and prevent war. For instance, the United Nations plays a crucial role in building peace around the world. In inner peace, it also applies to individuals seeking inner tranquility. Building peace within oneself might involve meditation, reflection, and managing personal stress. She practices yoga to build peace within herself. Understanding this phrase is not just about language learning. It's also about appreciating a universal human value. Peacebuilding is essential for creating safer, more harmonious societies. It's a proactive effort, suggesting that peace is something that needs continuous work and dedication, much like building a structure. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, build peace. Remember, it's about creating harmony and resolving conflicts. Whether that's within ourselves, in our personal relationships, or between nations. Keep practicing your English and using it to understand and express important concepts like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.